Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with My Creative Times 139th edition release. Yes, Emma is back and ready to get started. She still has a little bit of a healing process, but she's back and we'll have our first release February 2nd, which is this Friday. But new year, new changes. So this year, one of the things that has changed is the way that you will put in your discount codes. For each channel, whether it's blog, Instagram, or YouTube, we all have our individual codes for you to use. Mine is Mo, M-O-E, capitalized. And all of the other ladies have their specific codes to their specific channels. These are affiliate codes, so you will have to use one of the codes to get your 15% discount. Like I said, this starts Friday, 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, and will end Sunday, 11:59 p.m. And then after that, you will still be able to use our codes for a 10% discount. Mine is, once again, Mo, M-O-E, capitalized. Share the love. Now into those sneaky peeks. Okay, everyone, welcome to the last day of the Sneaky Peeks. And so this one is called the Large Treat Bag. Really, really nice. I like this one. It can go for several different items here. So you can make this into its own pocket on the card, so you can add your little die cut pieces or anything if you want to gift some. This can be used as a tag by itself. And then this as the treat bag, and these are its layers. So, and then this is what you would use to cut the handle into that. So I got a couple items to show you, but one that I'm actually just using just for the actual treat bag, but the other one is just like a bonus. I didn't finish it, but anyways, so let's jump in and show you what I use. So from yesterday, from our release, I'm using a couple of the Prim Hearts from there, the large Prim Hearts. I'm also using this Ginger Chef's paper pack, and I'm using this one here. I'm using this bow right here, and I'll have it pop across the screen right there. I'm also using the Pretty Scallop Rosettes. I'm using that small one right there, and I cut that out twice along with this little layering piece there. From the medium teacup, I'm using, or the small teacup, actually it's medium, I'm using this right here. And the cute hard frame dies, I'm using this and this. And then from the paper pack that I'm using Christmas Gingers, and I'm using this color right there. Anyway, so this is what I created. It is so pretty. I kept it simple. I just added the hearts. I did a layering piece in black. I used a little faceted gem, has pink and black polka dots. I wanted to use that because the color of the pink was perfect. And so I brung in that black behind that. There goes that bow I used. And then this, you can go ahead and stick a gift card in there or whatever you'd like, a little bit of die cuts or anything in there. Perfect for Valentine's Day, Christmas, birthdays, whatever you'd like. And then there goes the back side, same way. That's an open pocket. And I just popped the rosette. Oh, and I forgot to pull out the doilies. Those were the, I'll have it pop across the screen, the name of it. I forgot to pull that out, but yeah, I used the last doilies that were in her release. And so, yeah, I thought that turned out really, really pretty. And I did use that large little cutout for the top of the bag there. Just so pretty. I made this one myself, but you can use hers if you'd like. It would just be a little bit smaller, and you'd have to cut off a little bit of the layering piece there. But I wanted it to be the exact same size as she had there, so I made that one myself. But I thought it turned out so pretty. I had a little bit of paper in the inside. Really, really cute. All right, and for that little bonus one, okay, so for that pocket, I put both two pieces together and made a larger pocket that you could use and maybe stick a Ghirardelli chocolate in there. And there goes those hearts, the cute hearts that I told you about that I used it for both sides there. I didn't finish it up. The reason why I didn't is because I didn't like how high I put this. I should have put it even with the little piece there. That's what I should have did. Put it even with that piece there and bring that down. So that's the reason why I didn't finish this. But this is where I put that little teacup layer there and cut it out so it could be a little smaller handle. But still cute, but I just didn't finish it. But I thought I would still share it with you. All right, so those are my items for today. So make sure you come back tomorrow for release day. Starts at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, and it'll go through the weekend till Sunday, 11:59 p.m. You make sure you choose a discount code to use. Mine is MOE. And then after that, you can still use our codes for a 10% discount. And that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day. Check out the pictures at the end.